This journey started with me, alone at my desk, frustrated and desperate for a solution. Hey everyone, I'm Minhaj, and this is the story of how frustration turned into Your Thumbnail AI, an AI tool that's changing how creators make thumbnails. But this isn't just a story about building a product, it's about the late nights, the failures, the breakthroughs, and that one conversation that changed everything. Let me take you back to where all started. Last year I started content creation and I became content creator like millions of others. I had good content, decent editing skills, but my videos weren't getting views. The algorithm wasn't picking them up. My click-through rate was terrible. Then I learned the harsh truth. Your thumbnail isn't just important, it's everything. It's the difference between 100 views and 100,000 views. But here's the problem. Creating a high-quality thumbnail meant hours learning complex design software or paying a designer over $5 to $10 even more per thumbnail. And as a small creator, neither option was sustainable. I talked to other creators, the same story over and over. Everyone was stuck in this impossible choice, time, money or mediocre thumbnails. But I thought there had to be a better way. One day at night, I was scrolling through YouTube analyzing thumbnails from top creators like Mr. Beast, MKBSG, Ali Abdal, and I started noticing patterns, the color psychology, the facial expressions, the text placement, the contrast ratio. And I thought, what if we could teach AI these patterns? Not just any AI, but one that understands what makes humans click, one that knew the psychology behind viral thumbnails. And that's when Your Thumbnail AI born. The name, it's actually a play on Your Thumbnail AI because while other tools rush through templates, we believed in taking the time to understand what truly works. The vision was clear. Any creator, regardless of skill level, should be able to generate professional, click-worthy thumbnails in seconds, not hours. I wasn't just building a template generator, anyone can do that. I was building an AI that understands visual psychology. And of course the first version was terrible, generic and lifeless. It looked like every other AI generated image out there. And I almost gave up 3 times. But then I realized I was training the wrong way. Instead of feeding the random thumbnail images, I need to feed it the best performing thumbnails and tagged with their actual performance data like CTR, view duration and audience retention. I scrapped data from thousands of successful videos. I analyzed what color performed best in different niches, which facial expression dropped clicks, how text contrast affected readability at thumbnail size. And 2 months of iteration, countless sleepless nights, my savings were running low. My friends thought I was crazy. But then, after iteration of 70 to 80 times, I generated a thumbnail for a test video, uploaded it, and then started getting CTR more than 4% because my previous average was 4%. And that's when I knew I have something real solution. Let me show you what makes Your Thumbnail AI different. First, it's not about templates, it's about understanding your specific content. You just write your topic, generate a prompt with this prompt button, and it analyzes your niche, understand current trends and generate thumbnails optimized for human psychology. If it's gaming content, it knows you need high energy and vibrant colors. If it's educational content, it knows clean, trustworthy with clear value proposition. If it's finance content, it knows very well that there should be authority and credibility. There are multiple approaches to create any thumbnail. Like this is one of my favorite clone thumbnail where you can clone others viral thumbnails because without spending tons of times we can take inspiration from others thumbnail and we can directly copy that thumbnail here with our topic and picture. And this is one thumbnail analyzer, thumbnail rater. Basically it will analyze your thumbnail, how it will perform on YouTube. You can analyze any thumbnail here. It will tell you what's working there, what's not working there. It will give you marks out of 10, after which you can decide whether to use this thumbnail or not. And here's my favorite thing, which is prompt library. Here you can get ready-made prompts and bunch of categories of thumbnails. Whatever niche you are creating content, you can get prompts to generate those thumbnails here very easily. You just need to copy from here and use directly in that create tab. So this is one of my favorite feature here. Here there are a lot of ready-made prompts that you can directly use. You don't need to go anywhere for prompts. Our early users saw an average 3x improvement in CTR within the first month, some even better. And one thing definitely I will tell you, it hasn't all been smooth sailing. When we first launched, our server crashed within 2 hours because our server was on free plan, but now I shifted on paid plan and got some more resources. We dealt with users asking for features we never imagined. Some people wanted animation, some people wanted specific celebrity likeness. And the hardest part, balancing AI capability with ethical responsibility. We built in safeguards to prevent misuse, to ensure our tool empowered creators without enabling deception. Every challenge taught us something. Every bug made the product better. Every angry email pushed us to improve our support and user experience. Today, your thumbnail AI is helping hundreds of creators worldwide, and we are just getting started. And on version 2, we are working on some crazy features. Like firstly, our platform is in light mode, but many people suggested me to make it in dark mode, which I was working on, and many things I have already done. Second thing is I am creating a avatar place. A user can give 10 to 15 picture of his own, and that AI will be trained on that, and then he can generate thumbnail just by typing text without uploading images again and again, because that AI will have already his face, so you no need to bother about face. Just spit out text and your thumbnail will be ready. And there will be one more feature that will be totally agentic feature, and I'm not going to tell you about that right now, but you will see that feature soon. That will be so crazy that you can't imagine right now. The purpose of this platform is to democratize content creation so that the creator with a great idea doesn't lose to someone with just a bigger design budget. Every creator has a story worth telling, a message worth sharing, and the only thing standing between your content and the audience that need to see it shouldn't be a thumbnail. If you're watching this and you have ever felt that frustration spending hours on design that still feels off, or watching great content go unseen because of weak thumbnail, I made your thumbnail AI for you by a creator for creators. Today it's a community of creators helping each other succeed, and honestly that's the path I'm most proud of. And I want a small ask from you. If you believe in what we are building, try your thumbnail AI, give it a shot. And if you love it, tell other creators, because we are not just building a tool, we are building a movement where the talent matters more than budget, where creativity beats conformity. The journey's been wild, the best parts are still ahead, and I want you to be part of it. Let's make your content impossible to scroll. So yeah guys, this is all about this tool, this platform. Almost 3 weeks completed since when I launched this platform, and as of now there are almost 250 users that are using this tool, that are using this platform, and the feedback that they gave was also very good. But also I need to keep pushing myself, keep pushing this platform, keep rolling out features so that they will engage in that tool, that platform. I have defined many things in version 2. In version 2, there will be some next level features that will totally blows the user's mind, because that will take this tool to next level. So I'm wrapping up this video here. I hope you enjoyed it. This is how solo developers like me build any product, build any tool. We need to code every line of software, we need to test it, we need to deploy it, and after that we have to create real YouTube videos to promote it. We have to share on multiple places, social medias like Product Hunt, X, Reddit, and apparently we create ad campaigns, we reach to influencers, we cold email a lot of people. All things we have to perform solely. And when you do all this stuff, many times you get bored, many times you get demotivated, because when you cold email to influencers, people, they won't even reply you. And even if some complex bugs will emerge in your platform, and if you'll start solving it, it will take a lot of sleepless nights. So in every situation, we need to be resilient. We need to always motivate ourselves, because nobody is coming to help you. Literally, we need to explore a lot of things. Whenever we solve any problem, whenever we build any product, we need to go through a lot of things, and often we need to learn required skills to build that product. And this happens with all the people. Whoever is doing this stuff, because we learn from journeys, we learn from exploration, we learn from our mistakes. And this is a time where nobody is going to judge us. Like, I'm just a bachelor student doing all this stuff, trying to explore a lot of things. Whatever is working, I'm trying to build it. And this whole bachelor time is like 0 period for me. It is the time to explore everything, whatever we can. And literally nobody is expecting anything from us. We are just studying, we are just building, we are just failing, and we keep iterating on that. Our ideas might fail, our product might fail, but the learnings that you learn throughout this journey will be with you throughout your entire life. So with these words, I'm wrapping up this video here. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you enjoyed it, make sure to press a like button. And if you want to try this tool, I'll mention link in the description box. From there you can check out. So bye bye, take care. Until next time, keep building and keep exploring.